What's up guys, it's Kevin with K-Squared Fitness. Today I'm breaking down the rope climb plus the pull-up tap. All right guys, so key points of performance as we're getting into an exercise that requires a lot of strength, and that's what I talk about all the time. Strength is the price of admission to do high skill movements. So today when we're working on these taps, make sure that you're alternating which hand is on top from right to left, and that you're not compromising full range of motion in the hand that's up. So here's what I'm talking about. You jump up, full range of motion from a hang, get that lock out every time at the bottom, and you're thinking about a big pull, trying to get that full range here, reach as high as you can, full range every single time. Flip-flop in the arms, full range at the top here, full range. Super challenging exercise, but strength is the price of admission. Make sure you flip-flop in your hands. Other than that, strengthen your grip, strengthen your lats. That's the rope climb plus the pull-up tap. Get after it.